Alright. Good morning, everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Down in the hole. We are getting ready to head out. We got some stuff, our packs. Wanted to give you the grand tour of what this all turned into. So you can see our fire pit here is
Down to the ground?
Yeah.
Almost 6 feet of snow.
Yeah, a little less than well, no, about 6 feet's right at this elevation. Now I'm going to give you the tour of the, can't remember what it's called.
Quincy.
Quinzee.
Or just snow.
Down the gigantic stairs. Okay, so we dug the hole out this morning so we can get in and out easier. But essentially, actually, Alex, would you come in here and like stand up so we can see? Why don't you just go ahead and hold it? Oh, all right. I'll go ahead. So this is how big it is. You can see quite wide, so easily slept 4 people. This was the architecture work of Mr. Alex Thompson. Good job.
You're good there, dude. Nice coat.
Can you send me that video when you're done? Or when you get back and get a chance?
Thanks. Hot hog.
I'm still recording.
Yes.
Shoot this, Alex.
All right.